Yeah, Keto. All right, so we have all heard of the miracle of Fathead dough, how you can basically use mozzarella cheese and turn it into like a bread-like dish, which is quite extraordinary, really, if you really think about it. So we're gonna go ahead and use it this time around to make bagels. Welcome to my kitchen. All right, so the main thing here is we want to make sure that we get everything ready beforehand because we want to be able to work with the dough while it's still warm and malleable. So, mise en place, people. Mise en place. Let's begin. All right, so what we'll need for this recipe are going to be 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, 2 ounces of cream cheese, 1.5 cups of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 large egg, and then I also have a large egg white, which I've pretty much beaten until it's tripled in volume. All right, so first thing, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And then in a microwave safe bowl, we're going to melt our shredded cheese along with our cream cheese. And you can just do that at 30-second intervals until it's completely melted. And just stir it until it's nice and smooth. All right, and in another bowl, we're going to combine our almond flour, our coconut flour, and our baking powder. We're just gonna give that a good mix. And then we're just gonna add that flour mixture into the melted cheeses. Perfect. Now we just want to stir the dough and work the flour into the cheese as well as you can. And don't be afraid to get your hands in there. And then once the flour is mixed in, we're going to add our egg and our egg white. And we're just going to get that worked in until the dough forms. Now for the dough, you just want to make sure that it's completely combined so you don't see any streaks of egg or egg whites. And now what we're going to do is we're going to form the dough into a disc. And we're going to cut this disc into 8 equal sections. And then we're going to go ahead and form our bagel. So I'm just going to take each section, roll it into a ball, then roll it out lengthwise, kind of like if you were making a pretzel. Then create a circle. We're going to make the ends meet. Then we're just going to kind of knead the ends together so that it's uniform. And then we just place the bagels on a parchment-lined or greased baking sheet. Now, at this point, you can add the seasonings of your choice. And what you'll do is just brush the top with some egg white and then just sprinkle on any seasoning you like. It can be everything bagel seasoning. It can be sesame seeds, poppy seeds, just some regular salt, whatever you like. The choice is yours. I'm just gonna leave mine plain because I like plain bagel. And then these go into our 400-degree oven for about 15 to 18 minutes until they're golden brown. And you're good. You just let these cool, toast them up, and you can add some butter, some cream cheese, turn it into a bagel breakfast sandwich, whatever you like to do with your bagels. There you have it. You have keto bagel deliciousness on a plate. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more, and comment below if you are excited by the fact that you can now have bagels on your keto diet. And I know it's the Fathead dough, but I mean, there's still deliciousness on a plate. So give them a try. And you can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.